Okay, you probably have a smart device, a handheld computer that can run apps, connect to Wi-Fi and other devices, and take pictures and video. So, what are smart glasses? Well, like many smart devices, they have a display, audio output, built-in camera, and microphone, even GPS. And they can access the internet using built-in Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth connection to your internet-connected smartphone. They even have their own operating system, so you can download and run most apps directly in your smart glasses. So how are smart glasses different? Well, they're not handheld. You wear them. The display rests right in front of your eye, so you don't have to look down. Information is right in your field of view. Next, not only can they record HD video and photos, they can also recognize objects and gestures. And with a microphone, they recognize an array of voice commands. The upshot? The power of a smart device, hands-free and compatible with your favorite apps. Get directions, scan barcodes and find the product online. Stream video from remote cameras. Smart glasses can even connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free phone calls and notifications delivered without needing to pick up your phone. Your digital world, hands-free. I'm Paul Hochman for Amazon.com. This holiday, exclusively on Amazon's wearable store.
Ever since I was a little kid, I wanted to design the future.
How I kind of saw it was, wow, this is like sci-fi, this is like the Terminator.
Until I tried the Jet on, I couldn't fully appreciate what it would mean.
When we started this process, we had to look at how we can take the DNA of consumer electronics, but then inject that into a pair of sports sunglasses and find a way to create a new design language that hasn't existed before.
There's plenty of established design patterns that you can leverage from web and mobile, but you kind of had to rethink the wheel a little bit when designing for new technology like heads-up displays.
You've got to start to really use an understanding of human experience to understand the design of the product. You've got to know when it's useful to be there and when it's useful to get out of the way. And it's also really interesting because once you're in the experience, you learn more about the person. So now, what do you do with that data?
That's always been the ethos of the company. Serve the athlete, make the athletic experience more enjoyable, enable athletes to achieve their full potential, encourage them, support them, guide them.
There's really two fundamental things that we have to keep in mind. The first thing is, of course, understanding the need of the user. What is the user's goal? The other challenge, which is unique to the wearable space, is understanding the constraints of the product. We have, for example, limited screen real estate. You don't have an unlimited supply of battery like you would with a personal computer. Athletes often want to see a lot of different metrics at the same time, so we have to be really careful what we're surfacing and when.
It's there when you need it, and it's invisible when you don't. As remarkable as that sounds, it really is true.
Runners care about their pace, their distance, their time, their heart rate. None of these are new ideas or new metrics to show, but what we're doing differently is how we show that to the user.
The most important thing we wanted to do is make sure that it looked good and it felt good. That involved making sure that Recon Jet wasn't interfering with people's faces, it wasn't causing some sort of uneven weight distribution.
We're not just thinking about the user in their activity, we're thinking about the three states of the user: pre-activity, in the activity, and post-activity. Jet is actually just one piece of a finely tuned machine that kind of connects all these pieces to create one holistic experience for the user.
Until you have that experience and see what it feels like, how empowering it is, how motivating it is to get that information just below your right eye, you just don't have any idea the degree to which your experience is going to be transformed.
Microsoft HoloLens brings holograms into your real world. Using transparent lenses, spatial sound, and an understanding of your environment, holograms look and sound like they're actually part of the world around you. That is mixed reality. With Microsoft HoloLens, holograms are viewed through the holographic frame centered in the middle of your view. This preserves your peripheral vision, so you can move freely and connect and collaborate with people around you. Holograms in mixed reality don't block out what you can see and hear. This enables you to engage with digital content and tools alongside the objects in your real world. Holograms can be world-locked in a physical location, so you can walk around them, or they can travel with you. You can even hear them in 3D with spatial sound. Microsoft HoloLens is the world's first fully untethered, self-contained holographic computer. With the mixed reality experience of HoloLens, you can stay in the real world and interact with real people as you simultaneously explore 3D in 3D.
Introducing the Vuzix M3000, the next generation of smart glasses with advanced waveguide optics for hands-free mobile computing on the job. Feature-packed, ruggedized, and easy to use with head motion tracker, always-on sensors, full-color waveguide display, video camera, and flashlight, all driven by Intel Inside and connected with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. You need your hands on the job, but you also need to be connected, all in a system that provides good vision of your surroundings and enhances the way you work. The Vuzix M3000 works like a smartphone or tablet, but hands-free. Its temple contains a touch-sensitive surface that works like a trackpad control. Or you can speak your commands for a truly hands-free experience.
Open the project schedule and CAD plans for 435 Laurel.
Because it's Android, the Vuzix M3000 runs thousands of existing apps. And Vuzix has developer resources and technical support to make it easy to create new apps for your business-specific needs to take full advantage of the power of the M3000.
Ready to dig? Hang on, let me check something.
The M3000 has built-in GPS, so it always knows where you are, and it tracks your head movements and viewing angle for unprecedented awareness of what you're doing and seeing, whether it's real or virtual or both.
Looks okay. The city water line runs over there. As long as you keep away from that, you're good. Looks like my flight's late. How about a coffee?
With the M3000's camera, you can share what you see with others in real time.
Next step, that's 3. Where's the 4th screw? Call support.
This opens up new possibilities in remote service and repair, remote monitoring, even remote telemedicine applications.
It looks like you haven't removed the access panel. That was step 5. If you remove that panel on the right, you'll see the screw. It's just inside.
Okay, got it. Send a message to admin. I need a replacement RDR 3450 as soon as possible.
Intelligent wayfinding and light guiding is only one of many possible applications that shorten training time and virtually eliminate error in warehousing and other industries. Introducing the M3000, the next generation of smart glasses. From Vuzix, a world leader in smart glasses, technology, and waveguide optics. Developers of some of the world's most advanced smart glasses technologies for gaming, sports and entertainment, training, and more.